If you're looking to learn how to use Livestorm for live product launches, you're in the right place. Livestorm is a versatile platform that can help you take your product launches to the next level by offering powerful features for webinars, live events, and interactive presentations. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the essential steps to get started with Livestorm and show you how to make your live product launch a success. First, you'll want to set up your Livestorm account. Don't worry, you can do this completely free using the exclusive link in the description below. With Livestorm, you'll be able to access all the basic features without any cost, which is perfect for getting started without any financial commitment. Once you've signed up, it's time to start creating your event. To create a live product launch, click on Create an Event and select Live Webinar. You'll be prompted to give your event a title, which should be eye-catching and clearly reflect what your audience will get from the launch. A compelling title can make all the difference in generating excitement and attendance. Set your event date and time. Livestorm makes it easy to schedule your launch with just a few clicks. Be sure to promote your event ahead of time to build anticipation. Next, you can personalize your event page. Livestorm allows you to customize the registration form, making it easy to collect the information you need from attendees. You can ask for details like name, email, and any other information that might be useful for your launch. This step ensures that you have a targeted audience for your live product launch, and you can even use this data for follow-up marketing afterward. When it comes to running your live product launch, Livestorm's features really shine. During the live session, you'll have access to a range of interactive tools. You can share your screen to show product demos, slide decks, or anything else that's part of your launch. You also have the option to engage with attendees via live chat, Q&A, and polls. This creates a more dynamic experience for your viewers and can help you answer any questions they might have about the product. One of the standout features of Livestorm is the ability to use on-demand webinars. After your live event, you can make the recording available for those who couldn't attend. This is a great way to keep the momentum going and capture more leads post-launch. You can also use this recording to repurpose content for marketing purposes, making it a valuable asset for future campaigns. For deeper engagement, Livestorm allows you to segment your audience. This means you can create tailored messages for specific groups within your attendee list. If you have different product packages or services, this feature can be a game changer for upselling or cross-selling. Now, let's talk about promotion. Livestorm integrates with various marketing platforms like MailChimp, Zapier, and Salesforce, which makes it easy to automate your marketing efforts. Whether it's sending out reminders to registrants or following up after the event, these integrations save you time and ensure that your product launch stays on track. Finally, I want to mention that Livestorm offers detailed analytics after your event. You'll be able to track engagement metrics like attendee participation, questions asked, and poll responses. These insights are invaluable for understanding how well your launch resonated with your audience and what you can improve for next time. To wrap things up, using Livestorm for your live product launch is a straightforward way to elevate your marketing strategy. With its interactive features, seamless integrations, and powerful analytics, Livestorm gives you everything you need to make your product launch a success. Don't forget, by clicking the link below, you can access an exclusive and extended free trial to get started with Livestorm today.